There was a young charming man in Belize who was a womanizer. A young woman got pregnant for him, and one of his many women decided to go to be a man to harm the baby. The woman tied up dolls and threw it under the stairs of the young mother's house. That same night, the young mother was visited by a black spirit. The young mother was 8.5 months pregnant, and her stomach went flat. The dark spirit started to lift her veil. The young mother started vomiting uncontrollably and started to say the Lord's Prayer. A bright light suddenly appeared and the dark spirit disappeared. The next day, she went into labor. The baby's umbilical cord was wrapped around her neck. The doctors did an emergency surgery and the baby was saved. The young mother returned home and asked a guy to dig up under the stairs. She found pictures of herself wrapped with a doll with the neck tie up. Years later, the young mother had another child. At the time they lived in Ladyville and slept on the floor. The baby, who was now a little girl, saw a lady in white peep through the floor, but she was afraid to look. The morning she saw the lady in white, her little brother ran straight out the house towards the road. He ran past everybody, but he was still sleeping. Their older brother had to grab him just before a speeding car was coming towards him and saved his life.
Like and follow for more.